so this question, the first thing that you notice is that you have parentheses. And when you see those parentheses, you want to be on the lookout for those because that means that you are going to be using the chain rule. So the chain rule, remember, is your derivative of the outer times the derivative of the inner. So all of this cosine x here is my inner function, and that will leave us with this cosine as my outer function. So when I take the derivative, I'm going to take the derivative of cosine, which is negative sine. And then I keep this inner fixed for now. So I keep it as cosine x. And then I'm going to multiply that by the derivative of the inner. And the derivative of cosine, again, is negative sine x. And I want to put parentheses here just to be very clear that that is not a minus subtraction sign. That is multiplication, a negative sign there. All right, so at this point, what I can do is I can move any of the coefficients to the front. And I want to be clear, like this is your derivative of your outer, keeping the inner function fixed. And then by the chain rule, we multiply that by the derivative of the inner. And then our final step is that we move any coefficients that we have to the front. So coefficients to the front. So in this case, I have a coefficient of negative here and a negative here. So I would multiply those two negatives together and say that this is positive sine cosine of x times sine x.